11 really bizarre, wild vitamin D deficiency symptoms. Now, of course, most people know the usual vitamin D symptoms: lower back pain, depression, high blood pressure, inflammation, autoimmune diseases, things like that. But I will guarantee you do not know these. Number one, head sweating. Now, typically you'll see this in infants, but you can also see it in teenagers, adults. But if you notice like a child or yourself sweating just more in the head, suspect a vitamin D deficiency. Number two, sweating more at night, even if your temperature is cool. Number three, mood swings. A person going from a condition or emotion of happiness down to feeling irritable, down to angry, and then they get sad, because vitamin D controls the regulation of your mood and it heavily influences emotions. Number four, procrastination, being backlogged, and you just don't feel productive. I mean, it's pretty wild that someone's motivation is connected to a vitamin D deficiency. All right, number five, panic attacks. Now, in other videos, I talk about panic attacks being a vitamin B1 deficiency, and it can be, but you also have a vitamin D connection to this as well. Number six, achiness in your pelvis, in your lower back, in your hips, and your upper legs. Vitamin D is intimately connected with the formation of bone. And one symptom of that is literally pain, but not sharp pain, this achiness that's the inside of the bone, because that's where you're losing the bone, on the inside. So then we have number seven, which is loss of muscle strength. Vitamin D has a direct effect on calcium itself. And without vitamin D, calcium is going to be deficient in the muscle. Calcium allows the muscle to contract, but not only contraction, it's also involved in the production of muscle itself. So without vitamin D and calcium, you cannot create muscles. Number eight, stiffness. And the stiffness usually occurs in the knees and in the fingers. Number nine, chronic fatigue. This has a lot to do with those little energy factories in your cell. They're called mitochondria, and how important vitamin D is to support that little factory. And if you don't have enough vitamin D, you just can't make energy. Number 10, your ability to think quickly is diminished. Basically, you have too many applications open on your desktop computer, but related to your brain. And number 11, it's just very difficult to be satisfied when you eat a meal. It could be that the food is just nutritionally empty and you keep eating to get these nutrients. It can also be certain things in the food that cause you to be addicted. But if you're low in vitamin D, you're just not going to feel satisfied. You will definitely have a tendency to overeat.